In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a design image of any size fit perfectly into your Behance portfolio. We know how frustrating it can be to create a beautiful design only to find it doesn't quite fit when you upload it. But don't worry, with this tutorial, we're going to simplify this process for you. First, head over to Behance by visiting their website. Once you're there, log into your account, then navigate to your projects. Now you can either create a brand new project or edit an existing one. This is where you'll house the images you want to upload. You'll notice that sometimes images don't fit perfectly in the space available, and they appear misaligned or cropped awkwardly. To fix this, we're going to make use of the photo grid feature. This tool is designed to help you organize your images properly so they display nicely on your profile page. Open up the project editor and look for the photo grid option. Click on it and you'll be prompted to start adding images. Select the images you want to display from your device and upload them. As your images upload, you'll see them forming a grid. Here's a useful tip. You can rearrange the images within this grid, which gives you control over their order and presentation. One of the great aspects of the photo grid feature is that it allows you to choose whether to make your grid full width or not. This option can be very handy as it lets you customize how much of the screen the images will take up, depending on how many images you have and the layout you're aiming for. Play around with this setting until you find the display that best suits your aesthetic. Once your grid looks just right, click Continue. You're almost done, but before you publish, don't forget to add project information such as a description, the tools used, or any additional details you want viewers to know. This adds context to your work and makes your portfolio more engaging. Also, remember to add a project cover because this will be the main image people see when browsing your projects. Choose an eye-catching cover that summarizes your work well. Finally, with everything in place, it's time to hit that publish button. Alternatively, if you were editing an existing project, just click Update Project. And there you have it. Your design is now beautifully displayed, perfectly fitted to your Behance portfolio. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your creative tools. See you next time.